All right, welcome back to the last stream of the day. It's me, your host for today, Prem. So right now we are looking at gold being, being a congestion at this moment. So what can we expect here to happen is like, okay, for yesterday we did have total of total three wins yesterday. So we're able to hit our TP as well. So that is good. So right now we are looking back for a potential buy. So right now I able to see there's a buy potential. So I'm going to take a buy right now. Okay. And I'm going to drag my SL wait before because right now I'm going to see there's a potential buy. So wait, hold on, give me a sec. So my SL, I'm going to put it below here. Okay, this zone is quite huge. Okay, this zone is quite huge. Okay, but I will take profit. Oh, definitely gonna look at this above here, right? It's more or less the same. I'm just gonna put my TP here for a minute so I can look at the chart. Take profit. Okay. So let's go look through the chart for gold. Okay, currently we do have if we look at higher time frame first, we're still in the uptrend. So right now this is a pullback structure for this breakout towards the resistance. So we know right now, so they create a new higher high here, pull back for this H hour. Oh, sorry, 4 hour. So we look at H1. Okay, so there is a minor pullback. Okay, so but then continue to rise up. But here they shows there's a minor rejection here, but there's an engulf breakout in this area here on this higher high. So and then it create a new higher high. So this is what H1 is showing to us. But we are still in a bullish trend. Okay, so to identify where our entry buy just now, the reason why because we already like during the entire Asian market, uh price make a dip. So this is a pullback for yesterday, throughout the US session, price boom, did not even make a retracement towards the breakout structure towards here, did not came back. Actually kind of close but did not really, kind of close but did not. So right now, the sell, I would say most of the seller are already exhausted. So right now, I would say the buyers are coming in for this moment. So if we were to look, even like this pullback structure, right? It did not create how to say, if I were to make this on the line chart. Okay, so what we have here, so resistance becomes support. So this is a valid one. So price did came back here to retouch and then it's like rejecting once, twice. That try to have a third attempt, but seller already exhausted. So most likely the price will go up. So even like we have like a minor trend line here, definitely the price, like if we were to go down, the price would definitely would like to come to our trend line first before it will go down. Okay, the reason why, because it will look for a new higher high or to retest this resistance here. Because whenever that, if let's say if we were to take these two candlestick as a market manipulation whereby reverse from buyer to seller, uh we can take it as like to confirm, if we were the seller to be strong, the price need to come back to retest this what you call this resistance before it will continue going down. So if let's say the market already make a breakout structure towards here, but it did not make any breakout lah, to be honest. It's still like touching the resistance here. So resistance now become as a support. So if this become a support, we will definitely look for a new resistance. So currently our resistance area is this where is my drawing? So okay, wait. So right now we were to mark this our support, and we were to take, let's take this breakout first as a resistance. This is the closest one before we're looking at the major resistance here, which is all the way up here. So currently the price is still going up. If we were to look at our MT4, we are currently running like 20 pips. So we are really currently running like 200 USD. So I still believe that the price might still want to pull all the way back up. If let's say the price already run like close to 100 pip, I would definitely put a break even, because I still feel that this price will still go further up more than being just there. Because if we were to look at higher time frame, right, there is a fair value gap. There's a big fair value gap in this area here between these three candlestick. Okay. So the price still need to come back to refill in this whole area here. That's why I mark this as a resistance. So basically, this is a fair value gap. Bro. So for we're waiting for the price to come back to fair value gap. So right now, what we are doing right now, we are riding the wave with the buyers, because the price must come back to this fair value gap before, if it really want to make a breakout towards going down still to be a bearish. So right now we are collecting whatever leftover liquidity in this fair value gap. So if you guys are with me, are you guys able to able to get the buy with me? Mm, okay. Right. So we're just gonna hold on to our buy for our goal. Meanwhile, we're gonna look at other pairs. Oh, we need to reset view this. I need to go to H1, see what's up. So okay, so price did came all the way bottom to what do you call this? We feel the gap open yesterday that I mentioned. So right now price might be, let me see on H4. H1 can't really see it much. Okay, now I would change this to a line chart to see what's up. Okay, right now we have a resistance drag plus support. So price came back to the resistance area here. So let's change back to candlestick to see what's up. So okay, so right now we're rejecting towards the gap. So this gap basically uh resistance becomes support. So if the price were to continue goes up, gold we might be looking going towards going down. Okay, but me still being biased on my own side, I'm looking at, yeah. Yeah, just listen first, no need to rush into trades, because this is the third live stream for today. So I want you guys to take a to chill first and observe. And if you guys see like potential low risk to entry, follow as well. Okay? Because right now, we're currently in a congestion period here in this whole area. So so right now we are in this congestion area here. So we're waiting for the price to make a breakout in this box. Okay, so right now the price is just making like this. but it's becoming smaller and smaller because there is a downtrend line. So if let's say the price came back to this trend line, we will see whether like you will like to make a breakthrough towards uh to come into fair value gap or not. Okay. So currently like right now the price is already making like this. Okay. Okay, my stop loss is quite far. Okay, this is quite a big zone. This area is quite big. So this is the reason why the deposit bonus matter. So if you guys were to deposit 10,000 USD and you guys think that the market movement the gap is too big, you're not able to take the entry because your margin capacity not able to allow you to support the floating. This is why our book in Orex you were able to get the bonus. With that bonus, able to support you in terms of your floating. So basically, if you were to deposit 10,000, you were able to get 50% deposit bonus that's equivalent to 5,000. So you're actually trading 15,000 USD. So for you guys to entry for to trade a swing trade or were to take like a intraday long day trade is a good time to PM Grace. Make sure you talk to our admin Grace. She helps you out with the registration and also talk to you about the term and condition, about the bonuses, so you guys don't misunderstand and don't miss out anything. So yeah, talk to Grace, okay? Talk to Grace. Okay. If the price were to break in this below, right? I might possible take I will take a cut. I will cut off my buy and I will re-entry sell here. I mean, immediately if let's say there's a breakout structure in this support area here. Okay, so right now we just entry to follow the wave because we are hopefully looking to have a buy. So even M1, you can see like the shadow we are showing that rejecting, even though it's going to be a bearish, but it's still like rejecting. Buyer are still coming in strong. That is the problem. So right now I just want to ride with the wave. Yeah. Mm-hmm. If you guys have any question, you guys can ask me in the Telegram chat or the YouTube live. If you guys are watching from the YouTube. Okay, the sound is good. I can hear myself. Right. Okay. Let's go back to Euro. Okay, higher time frame. This weekly, oh, too big. Okay, this bullish. Okay, so this next candle open rejecting right now. So whether this candlestick for this H4, right? If let's say it engulf this candlestick and make a breakout towards this support, the price might still be on the downtrend still. Because if you were to see, right, it is still. Let me change this to line chart first. Can I take that as a breakout? What is it? You would point it here, and then I would change this to a candlestick. It's still that is a breakout, but this now I wouldn't say a major breakout because right, if you look at daily, it just leave a shadow. H4 close solid above. For daily wise is if you look at higher time frame is more logical than lower time frame. like higher time frame show, if it were to show like this, rejecting and then towards like selling, you know, we know that the price is going towards downtrend. So what we can do is to look for the opportunity to sell, you know, wait for the price to pull back, breakout structure. Sorry, make wait for the price to make a breakout structure. Wait for then after that, wait for the price to pull back, and then while the price was pulling back to our zone, we need to see the momentum on, and also the candlestick on lower time frame structure, whether to see if there is a manipulation or reversal happen. So from there we can know. So right now for Euro USD, if the price were to come back to our support here and make a breakout towards the support here, support, then we're gonna look for a sell. Okay, let's see on UJ. Oh, okay, UJ after yesterday the bank was closed. Price reopen and make a huge jump. Even right now, if we look at UJ, is still on uptrend still. Still on an uptrend, still playing around the resistance here. Yeah, yesterday gold trade. Yeah, we're able to profit like 4 times. So yeah. So UJ looks like it's gonna fly still, man. For me, UJ is still on a buy zone. Very likely, most likely I will look for potential buy at the UJ side. Okay, I'm planning to buy on UJ because UJ are still it's already done the pullback. Right now it's planning to continue flying, so I'm just gonna put my SL like around 30 pip. Hmm. SL for UJ is around 30 pip. And for this profit, I'm looking at least. Hey, come on, man. Stop moving around. Look my stop loss, bro. Okay, TP also around like close to 30 pip as well. More than that, actually. 35 pip, I would say. So we're gonna look for this price to come back to the highest high. Okay, so back to gold. Okay, I want to look at lower time frame. So if lower time frame with this price, right? This is the reason why we need to look at lower time frame. Okay, this candlestick engulfing shows that the price still like want to go down rather than be a buy. So if this price were to go down still, we might want to close our buy on our goal so that we can focus on selling instead of buying. Okay, if we look at lower time frame M1, okay. So this is a 4 hours sideway like here. So there's nothing much we can do but to wait. So if let's say this price were to continue for the engulf this candlestick, so there is a potential sell reversal and it can be a sell. Because why? There is a breakout here in this higher low. So this is a new higher high compared to this. So whenever there's a breakout new higher high, it will look for new higher low. But whether if this the end of the higher high, not yet. So this is the higher low right now. High high, higher low. So since once you recreate a high low, you definitely look for a new higher high. So Okay, so we're just gonna wait and see whether the price able to give us the buy that we wanted. So we're gonna hold on towards this. Okay, for UJ, as you can see, our stop losses and our take profit. So you guys, able to. If you guys want to copy and follow this, you guys are able to. So meanwhile, I'm just gonna leave it like this. You got it, girl. You got it. Okay. All right. So meanwhile, I'm gonna go take a water. I haven't properly set up. I just went and rushing because I saw a potential buy. I know, like, I'm not gonna miss this buy, so might as well I take it first. Then I'm gonna set up later. So I'm gonna take like a 5 minute. I'm gonna come back. So stay tuned. Okay, I'm back. So right now, let's look back. Okay, our goal is already running. As you can see, our goal is running. Woo! Yeah, let's go, let's go. This is what we want. This is what we want. Gold currently running from our entry point right now is at least around 80 pip. If you guys want to take break even, you guys can. But I'm just going to keep holding on still because I believe that gold will reach much more higher than that. So I'm still going to keep holding on still for this. Okay. So for right now, if you're gonna let go right the wave, don't let it be. If you guys want to put break even, you guys can. So this is the time. Let me just inform. For those entry place break even, or you can collect. Okay, so at least I'll let you guys know you guys can collect or put a break even. So right now we're just gonna let it be for now for gold. So we're gonna focus on our UJ. Okay, okay, lower time frame. Right now, UJ are currently making a congestion, even though it's already created one, two, and three higher high, but this higher high I wouldn't really consider it because it is the high low. Sorry, high low, high low and low low up. Low, high. Mm, currently there's a resistance here for UJ on this lower time frame. Okay, we will focus on this lower time frame. Currently, this is the resistance for this. Okay, it shows that rejecting towards the resistance and sorry, not rejecting, respecting. So potential to be a sell UJ there is, but we're gonna put our stop loss for UJ. Okay, for gold, I'm gonna collect one and I'm gonna place one break even. Reason why we are still in the London session. During London session, usually consolidation. The price will consolidate, meaning to say the price is still gonna be on the sideways. So we're able to catch on the buy. So I'm gonna straight place a break even on my gold and hope that my UJ doesn't fuck me up. Because for UJ, I'm hoping the price to still to be on the buy side. But you know what's funny? If UJ were to be buy, the price to be bullish, gold you would be on the bearish side. But because the reason why gold are moving faster because the market are moving towards for metal is much more higher right now. Okay? Yeah, if you scared later come down, place break even. You want to collect also can. If you place more than one entry, you guys can collect and put like the rest on break even if you want to. So you don't lose. You're still on the winning side. Okay. For this UJ, right? Honestly speaking, okay. For UJ, uh, I'm gonna change my direction for a bit for UJ. I'm gonna close my UJ for now. So we still at our entry price, so we're not losing much. We just look like what few bucks. Uh reason why currently the price is like I'm not able to tell whether the price currently like the price is still at the congestion period. So I'm waiting for a breakout. So if the price were to pull down, I'm gonna immediately sell. If the price were to pull up, I'm gonna immediately buy. Okay? Yeah, you already closed with profit. Okay, cool. Good. So, okay, currently UJ, the reason why we close because we still think that the price is respecting in this area here and the price might want to go down. Collect first. Yes. 5174. Good. You can collect first, yes. Just collect first if you can. Because right now we are looking at other pairs. So right now, if UJ were to break down, I'm just gonna take a sell rather than a buy. If UJ were to go down, then gold will come up. Yeah, that's the thing. Okay, I'm just gonna take a risk for UJ. I'm gonna take a sell. I'm hoping for the price to come back even further down, at least close to. Well, let me drag, bro. 10 people, at least 30 people. I'm looking for UJ at least 30 pip. SL for UJ is 30 pip, yeah, guys. If you guys want to entry for the UJ side, yeah, it looks like, yeah, this is the one that I'm talking about. Okay, you make like a congestion period here and then make like a breakout here with an engulf candlestick. So if this M5 if M5 showing engulf candles towards this candlestick here, if it engulf this candlestick, then the price will still want to go further down, because there is a resistance here. There is a resistance here, which is why like this, as you can see, 1 2 3 4, these 4 attempts already like supposed to break out towards this resistance, but it's already failed. It failed to break out. So this resistance is valid and is quite strong. So right now the price is pulling back down. So right now we are taking a sell for that. For gold we're taking a buy. So remember what I said yesterday, not to overtrade, not to take too much trade at one time. Reason being, we don't want to, how do you say, over trading. Okay, we don't want to overtrade. We take what the market gives us. Okay, you immediately look at that spike. So that's the reason why I put a break even. I collected. Okay, now suddenly M1, there's a huge spike on gold. Suddenly, look at it, M1, yeah, M1. So as you can see, in respect the trend line here, it did not make a breakthrough throughout this trend line. So we are still in this congestion period. So we already have one profit, one break even. So currently our UJ is currently running out slowly. So probably no. I'm gonna wait first for gold. Gold, I'm gonna wait for a bit. Currently, suddenly the market is moving strong towards the sell. If it's if the price come close towards the support, it's not good to buy, because it shows that the potential for it to break out towards the support there is. So how to know whether this place is good to buy or not? So that's the reason why we need to see M1. If M1 shows like a manipulation rejection wise to like in this part right here, but towards like the sell side. So this is like what I'm trying to say, the manipulation wise. So suddenly it become a buy, now rejected towards the trend line, now becoming a sell. So whether it respect this support or resistance, we shall say. Because what we aiming for, the price to come back for this higher time frame on this fair value gap. Okay. So if this price does not come back to this fair value gap, it means say that this the only pullback and manage to only collect this fair value gap, then that's it lah. But right now on this higher time frame is very strong sell. I'm not gonna take a buy right now. Not yet, not yet. Possible I might change my mind to be a sell later. If they say it break out towards this support, then I will take a sell. If it does not break towards this support, I will not take a sell. So right now we are still in the sideways. And leave see if you look at M15, right, it leave a shadow only. Okay, it did not actually, break towards the trend line. Okay, if our UJ is running profit, which is quite slow because of the margin differences between metal and currencies are different. Say words and you with me. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna take a short risk here. Okay, I'm gonna buy gold right here, right now, but my SL is quite close because I worry that it might break through even further. So my SL is like 100 pip, and my buy take profit is around 150. Same level. Okay. Okay, instantly, right? We entry our goal, instantly run profit. Our goal instantly run 20 pip right now. Okay. We're gonna hold on to this position for a few more minutes before we're gonna put our break even. If let's say the price are still gonna be taking sideways, so we're just gonna like buy on this side, but our SL is like 100 pip, okay? So if we were to lose this, we're just gonna lose our profit just now, but we're not on the losing side. We're just gonna lose our profit. Okay? But don't worry, we still have our UJ selling. So we have both sides, one buying and one selling. Okay, so we're still in this consolidation. That's the boring part about consolidation, man, in Euro session because there's nothing much you can do, just to see whether the price will break between either on the support, resistance, or the trend line, support, resistance. It really depends where the price is. Right now, what I'm seeing is that gold is showing such a strong sell, and then probably in the next 10 minutes, which is next this we're looking at M15, right? Then in another 9 more minutes, probably the price will not break that and then still going to be on sideways within this small box, on this small box here. Okay, not in the fair value gap yet, probably in this small box here, because I wouldn't I cannot accept that this is the already collect fair value gap, because usually to consider like the price has already collected fair value gap is at least more than half. If not more than half, it will come close here, at least to the middle, close to the middle. But this is not even close to it. I wouldn't consider that yet. Okay, gold is showing strong sell rather than be a buy. Like I said, my SL is like roughly close to 100 pip. Wait, I'm gonna drag slightly further down. Okay, 110 pip. Slightly below here. I just worry that the price might spike. So if the price will continue to be like this, we shall see whether the candle want to close, depending on how the candle closing later on this M15. I worry that it just like continue. It shows like want to break, but then it will pull back later, leaving like a shadow week like this, all these candlesticks. Okay, so that's the reason why. That's the reason why. Oh, maybe we may. Something crazy. You see, yeah, this is what I mean. You see, this is what I mean. This is what I mean. See what I mean? Just leave a shadow and then rejecting towards up. So this is what I mean. So we're just gonna keep holding on towards it, right? Our goal, Whoa, wait, wait, whoa. So quick. Exploded like just now it ran like roughly close to 50 pip. Wow, not bad. It's actually 50 pip. So I'm just gonna let it be for now. For UJY, UJ is selling. So on the sell side, okay, right now, okay, if you were to check on okay, M50, M30, right? If you look at M50, M30, we do have a support area here. Okay, we have a support area here. Okay, possible that price might be congestion towards this area here. If we reject, price will still want to go up. Trying to too much, in trouble. You know, call me baby. Okay. It's more fun to see gold, right? To be honest, look at this. So what will gold do now? What will gold do now? So it could possible that make a breakout towards this, and this is the pullback. And then right now it still looks like it's gonna be the sell. Is that what what you are trying to tell me? The market, which is I'm talking to the market. Terlalu mantap. Wih, janganlah cakap macam tu. Don't say that, bro. Just not running like 50 pip and then so fast that the price reject and then showing that you want to be the sell right now. Whew. Hey, no joke, even between like in this small box, right? The resistance and support between this small box is at least 100 pip each, man. So imagine for those who are scalping, people are scalping like buying and selling, buying and selling. Yeah. People who are buying and selling are, able to profit so much. That's why, we also like the first attack we did buy, and right now we are buying as well. So we are doing kind of like the same thing. Always when I wake up that to you. Woo! All right, go. Pump it up, pump it up. Look at M1. Yeah, this is what we want. Engulf, keep engulf. Keep showing engulf bullish. Careful with the stickers, guys. Me, my allies. We're in the congestion still. Ladies and gentlemen, we are still in the congestion still. Look at this congestion, bro. We are waiting for the price to break out. But we are buying. Okay, our goal is buying. Alright. Currently, gold is running around 50 pip. If you guys want to put a break even for gold, you guys can do so. Okay, because I still think gold is still gonna be on the buy side than the selling side. So you guys can put a break even or you guys want to collect. It's up to you. I'm still gonna hold on to it. In a spare day. Wow. Yeah. Hey, gold just now running 50 pip. Okay, you guys want to put break even? Can you? Or you guys want to collect also can. It's up to you. You want to hold with me until hit TP also possible can. Okay, now we're holding on for quite a while already. I'm gonna put my break even on my goal and hope for the best. Okay, break even on goal. I already put my break even on my goal. Okay, guys. You guys want to hold on, collect? I'm just on the. I'm still gonna hold on to it until it hit TP. Wait, TP I'm looking at. This here is 150 pips. Yeah, we're gonna hold at least 150 pips is at least TP2. Okay. 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 Right now, M15 open up candlestick. What it's gonna show? So this previous candlestick did not show engulfing like want to make a breakout. It just leave a candle like a shadow week like this previous candlestick. So that's the reason why. So it really depend on this next candlestick whether it's gonna continue for following to be a bearish and then close up bottom or not. It really depends. Okay, or it's just straight gonna shoot up to be a bullish and then engulf this previous candlestick. If it's shoot up and bullish, engulf this candlestick, hold on to it. Hold on to it. Hold on your position. Okay, guys, hold on. Hold up. Yeah, I forgot. Gotta start recording. Mm-mm-mm. Okay, that's our profit. So high, so high. Check what's up with Bitcoin. Woo! Still going down still, man. Holy fuck. Wait here, guys. Buy here, buy here. Don't buy here yet. I mean, you can buy here if your margin is, if you're a millionaire, big ass margin, yeah, you can buy here and then hope for the price to, come back down here and then boom, shoot back up here. Okay, so probably, or what if let's say there's nothing new thing or big thing about the cryptocurrency world, right? Price will just come back here and then come back in like this area here, making sideways conjection, whether want to break that towards the bottom or towards the high. But I still think that the best place to buy gold is here. I'm sorry, Bitcoin is here. Best place, best place, best place. Go what happened? Sorry. Yeah, we're feeling. So you so happy today? How not happy if you already like running profit, you already collected profit. So right now we are trading low risk. Okay, we are trading low risk. Low risk. Okay, super low. Because if we were to lose this, because we already put break even already. We already like running profit just now like 50 pips. So if this one like were to come to a break even, we are not losing. We're still on the profit side. We haven't lost anything yet. Because just now we collected like just now we collected like 350. Okay, we collected 350. This one at least 70 pip. We collected 70 pips. You guys have any question you guys want to ask me? Like beginner tradings? If you guys are beginner traders. Don't forget though, to talk to our admin Grace regarding our deposit bonus promotion. They're actually giving out like 50% deposit bonus, which is actually very helpful and towards your trading for the margin wise. Because if you would deposit 10,000 USD, you will get 5,000 USD, guys. So that amount for you guys to trade, you know, is really safe. Man, something on my feet. Because why? Having a deposit bonus to able to support your floating during your trading. If let's say right now in this zone, right? Actually, the SL, if I were to buy, my SL should be actually much more below here, because if the price were to break, not just this our support, but it were to break on this potential wick here, price is still going to be a strong bearish than a bullish. Okay, so right now, we already collected our first buy. Right now, we're taking our second buy. Second buy is already basically you guys can already collect. You guys can already collect because I already like pretty much putting on my break even because I still think that the price is gonna be on the fly side, on the buy side. And what's funny? Talking about UJ, bro. Slow way. So slow, man, UJ. Hey, we're coming in 1 hour high. So this candlestick did not engulf, rejected, price went up. Did not engulf this candlestick even still, but it's still on a strong bullish than a bearish. But price is still considering in this area right now. I would say support and resist. Sorry, support resistance. Still downtrend. Didn't make any potential breakout towards this zone, this resistance here. Because if were to price were to reject what or any what sort, we are looking at this resistance here. Did try, it did try to, but rejected. Oh, Milord, gold. H1 is about to close. 8 minute. Are you gonna close like that or you gonna close up, bro? Look at that. So it's bearish, bearish, bearish. Okay, that's why it's still on a downtrend. But if it's on a downtrend, it should continue break down already with the momentum. With continue with this momentum, but it did not. So here become a support already, a valid support, and it leaves fair value gap behind. So right now you see, as you can see, gold is flying up. That's why we put a break even. Okay. Sounds good, yeah? Sounds good. Definitely sounds good. Don't forget to DM Grace for the deposit bonus. Get your registration done. Don't wait. Don't just watch me enjoying my own profit. What's the point? What's the point? What's the point? You guys just watch me if you guys don't trade, right? Isn't this like the whole idea of me live streaming is that you guys can follow as well? So once you guys can follow, you guys catch on, you guys can trade by yourself without watching me anymore. You know, if you guys were to lose yourself in between how you guys were to trade, you guys always come back. You guys can always come back here. So as you can see, our goal, right, from our entry, going through 60 pip. So if you guys want to collect. I'm still holding on my break even until TP. I'm still gonna hold it on and I'm gonna let it be. Okay. Now my main concern is my UJ. USD JP Y. Respect what the heck? Okay. Okay, yeah. Support here. You respecting, sir. Do not respect the support. I want you to continue going towards the downtrend because you as well, right, leaves out to a huge fair value gap as well. Okay, there is a fair value gap here. This is quite huge. Okay, fair value gap. So price would definitely want to come in here in between still. That's why I'm selling. Same goes the reason for gold. That's why I'm buying. Okay, I'm buying because the price still haven't come to the fair value gap. So yeah, 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 yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna take a break for a bit. I'm gonna take a water break. I've been talking one non-stop already just now, so my mouth getting to dry, so I need water. So I'll take 5. Right back, guys. Hello. Okay. For gold, from our entry, we're already like running 80 pips. Okay, not too bad, not too bad, not too shabby, guys, not too shabby, not too shabby. We're looking to at least 400 pip. Do you mind me taking a few snacks? I went to the gym today, early in the morning, and I'm so hungry right now. Okay, I'm sick. I try to grow my bicep, try to grow some. Man, I just love looking at gold, man. This is why I love looking at gold, bro. H1 supposed to be close bearish, right? But it closed up bullish and then opened up a bullish candlestick for us. So right now we are riding a reversal pattern here. Possible depending on how this candlestick close. This H1 is crucial. This H1 right now is crucial. So if this H1 goes up engulfing, immediately we are entering US session whereby you're gonna definitely gonna close up the fair value gap, and then from there we don't know whether it's gonna continue going up, create a new higher high or not, or you're gonna respect the Asia market dip. This is the Asia market dip. Okay, guys. This is the Euro session consolidation. Okay, right here could be USD session. Should be here a while ago, but it didn't because there's a strong support right here. So we're waiting for US session, the price to come back here for US to create something for us. So M1 is slowly climbing up. Slowly but surely, guys. hmm So go from our entry running close to almost 100 pip, boys. 93. Okay, I might be crazy, but I'm gonna collect it. Why? Why I want to raise my profit? Potential reversal pattern that is gonna happen later. Because if you look at wait, hold on. I receive a call. Hold on, give me a sec. Right back. So sorry, guys. So sorry. Now I'm back because I had an emergency call just now. It's all been sorted out. Don't worry. Nothing major. Okay, go. Okay, goes on the buy side still. Okay, so we're gonna let it be for gold. Well, we're gonna focus on our UJ right now. Our UJ is still on the selling side. Uh, is it okay to open buy trade now? Uh, for gold, you gotta wait first. Wait first. We're under the price breakout towards this box area here. If the price breakout towards this box, then we buy. Because right now we start the trend line here. Because even though this trend line is not really that strong, but the price are respecting that still. So we're just waiting for the price to see what is it. Is there any changes? Mm. So these two candlestick, just kind of able to engulf this candlestick above, close up above. So right now we still look at a potential buy side still. Even the H1, even the new H1 open up, prices going up. It's not even rejecting anything yet. So potential sideways there is. That's why I already collected. Even though right now price, if you want to consider the price from just now our entry, right? From our entry, it's already 100 pip, but we collected at what? See? Yeah, we collected at least 90 pip, 90 pips, man. Close to 90 pips. 92. Yeah. So right now, I'm still thinking that the price might still consolidate in this area here, this big zone box here still. So then right now we're still waiting. Yeah, I'm gonna leave my phone for a bit. Okay, right now gold is also like showing rejecting selling right now. Potential to buy, not yet. Buy or sell, not yet. Not yet, not yet. For gold, not yet. Euro USD, what happening? What happening? Euro USD, bro. Bro, you don't tell me you want to respect this support, bro. This resistance because support. Hey, come on, man. Resistance become support, but not yet. Wait, it's just tuning, bro. You just touch this resistance only, man. What the hell? But if it just touch like this, right? Most probably this is like the support area already, man. Resistance becomes support. But oh yeah, rejection wise, how fast is that? Yeah, come on, man. We are still think. I'm still thinking that this is still sell rather than a buy still. Because if Euro USD becomes sell, go become buy. Yeah. How's the market today? So far, the market sideways consolidation, nothing new. Okay. Oh, you already placed the order. You already placed. Where do you place? Risky. You place on what? Gold, UJ. Because my UJ, I'm still holding on to my UJ still, man. Gold I already collected, as you can see. Uh, we already collected two. Collected two and one break even just now. Okay, one break even. But this break even also makan us. Walao eh. Okay. So right now I'm not gonna buy gold yet because I'm still thinking the price is still on the consolidation area here. Still. I did scalping on gold sell. Yeah. Yeah, you can actually scalp sell. People are, for scalpers, they can sell, they can buy, you know? Yeah. But I'm looking for potential swing. But for a swing to happen, there must be a breakout. So the breakout must happen between the resistance and the support here. So whenever it happens here, breakout, we wait for the pullback, then we entry. But sorry, before we entry, we look at lower time frame M1, M5 to see if there is a manipulation or not. Like what happened here in M1 here. So there is a manipulation here, reversal pattern. So that's why I took a buy. Mm-hmm. Now if you look at lower time frame M1 here, it's still like sideways here. Sideways going up. But M5 showing like it's trying to engulf, but it's not engulfing at all yet. This previous candlestick did not engulf the previous candlestick. Same goes with the other one. We're only looking at bearish, bullish engulfing the bearish only. Okay. I am done with snacks. It's very hard to see there's a potential buy here yet. Not yet. Okay. Okay, so turning M15 on UJ shows that it break out towards this support here, coming in towards the fair value gap. But it's not yet confirmed until the M15 closes. If M15 closes beyond the support area, the line that we cross, that we drawn here, then the price already break that. So we're probably going to wait for the next candidate to pull back and then we will to entry sell. But we already entry sell, as you can see, because I know that the price will definitely want to come back to this fair value gap. Why is it, what's wrong, Risky? Why the market is not so good for you, bro? Talk to me, man. What's going on, bro? What's popping, man? What went wrong in your trade? Yeah, yesterday market, yeah. I mean, mm, yesterday we were trading in this area, you see. Yesterday we are trading in this area. Same thing. Consolidation, sorry. So yesterday we were trading like this. Yesterday we were trading in this area, bro. In this whole area, which is why we took a buy. So you keep respecting the trend line, is it? That's the reason why I didn't want to buy. I didn't want to buy, man. I need a dress that color, no. Say it down, let me apologize. All I'm saying. Let me wanna be with you. Wait, turn around, just wait. What this time? Just wait. Okay, M15 closed. So this M5, sorry, M5 closed beyond here, but I want M15. Yeah, man, that's that call. Let me apologize. Yeah, man, I will all the time. You know. Okay. For gold, it's coming back down. Just wait. I'm 15 rejecting. Be with you. Get around, just wait. What is out? What? If I want to take a manipulation sell this line, it should be around here, but then too short. Here to come here and then reject. This is like only like what? 60 pip, 50 pip. Not worth. We are looking at least 100 pip. Wait, you turn around, just wait. Work this out. Wanna be with you. Okay. Like in this case, right? If M1 showing like this, can be a buy. Right now, but we're in the middle of the box wave. Not yet. Okay. So my mouse. Wrong mouse. Okay, gold seems to be like get potential buy, but then wait first, right now this congestion area right, is trying to squeeze as tight as possible to see whether you want to break up or what. If it breaks up towards this resistance around this resistance here, I'm gonna buy. But when I were to buy my TP, most likely I will expect it to be until like SL should be around here, and then TP should be around here. Yep. But that if the price breaks actually not there the TP is further up way. It's my time to be hellish. Am I still again jealous? So you look at UJ. Okay, see M15 is coming back towards rejecting towards the resistance here, support here. But what I want M15 to do is to close beyond that support. So if M15 close beyond that support, right? And then we just wait for a pullback structure. Look at while the pullback structure happening, we look at lower time frame M1, M5 to see whether there is manipulation wise towards the M1 candlestick or M5. So because the manipulation can happen whenever there's a breakout structure and a reversal. So when that happens, we wait for the price to if reversal, we change it to buy. If it did not happen in reversal pattern, you just make a pullback and then We're gonna take a sell after that. Straight sell. Why like to be hellish? I still get jealous. What do I want to say? That's why. Oh, that's right. Okay, I'm 15. So waiting for this M50 to close beyond. In a minute now. In a minute now. Okay, it did close beyond that. So right now, because we already sell, so we're gonna ride on the way for sell. Where is UJ? I'm going back to my UJ chart. This one, see whether I can. Okay. Because of that, I'm gonna pull out my TP to at least 50 pip. Okay, guys. I'm gonna put my TP under 50 pips. That's it. Yeah, for sure. Even though you look at M1, right? Yeah, you see, breakout already towards the support. So most likely the price will come back towards this area here. First resistance. First resistance, second resistance, third resistance. Right? Now, first, second, third. Should definitely come back around here. You wait. What is this? Kiwi, I never buy yet. Buy for gold, I haven't yet. It's on the congestion period here, still, guys. See? Eee! So now I say goodbye to Alan. So Alan went back home first. A lot of waiting today. Yeah, bro. Congestion period them a lot way. But were you guys able to get the buy for gold just now? We have like 150 pip, sorry, 170 pip and 190 pip. Yep. Yeah. Got where to go. Making it easy, sleeping, wanna sleeping, dream all at night. Okay, bro, what are you trying to do, man? Already make a breakout already, bro. We're already like 7:30 here. 1 hour, 30 minutes. Okay, Euro USD supporting to resistance because support, sorry, respecting the support. UJ continue to break down towards more. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Currently our UJ is running 10 peep up. 10 peep only, bruh. So we want it to be more. Let's come back to a here lah, huh? Not- Nothing but the space to us. Nothing but the way to us. Na, 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 na. Yay, continue more, continue. Okay, for gold. Oh, yeah. Oh, wait, what is going on here? What is this spiking going on here? So, like this kind of reaction wise, this what I mean by manipulation, right? Sorry, meaning by manipulation. Price went up, and then rejected, breakdown. Okay, consider, let's say we talk about lower time frame, Here's support resistance, right? Break down the support, came back up. Okay, this consider we will consider like usually come back to this zone here is support supposed to be the pullback, but it break towards the resistance here, which is that the first one that caused the creation of the breakout support came back here, and then supposedly this I mean, like manipulation wise supposed to be a buy side, but then it rejected now. So it's like it's so many manipulation happen here. So that's why I didn't want to take a buy or a sell. It's very hard to tell. Unless it come closer towards the support and resistance. Right now it's quite close to it. Not say really close to a resistance, but the resistance is all the way above here still. Outside this box here. This box, the upper box here is the resistance, the lower box is the support. So it's not even come close to that. It's still in the middle. So whenever the price in the middle in between the resistance and support, don't buy or sell. Don't buy or sell in between. Okay, don't. Let it come close towards the support and resistance, and we wait for a structure to happen. Once the structure happen, wait for confirmation whether there's gonna be manipulation or not. If there's no manipulation, we're gonna take an entry. So that's how it is. So so before I end my stream, guys, just to let you guys know about regarding our deposit bonus available for everyone who register under Orex. So this deposit bonus is 50%. It will help you, like if you would deposit 10,000, you will get 5,000 USD deposit bonus. And this deposit bonus is gonna help you in terms of supporting for your margin when you're floating, especially when you're entering towards a trade session like this, right? This kind of trade session is at least like 100 peak session. So you need to have a very high capital to able to trade in this session. If you do not, then it will be a high risk for you, you know, if you are trading with a small capital. So it's always best to trade with, if there is a bonus available to support your floating, your margin, basically, is really good to have. So to get that, you guys need to talk to Grace, DM our admin. Our admin will help you and assist you in terms of the registration and also getting the bonus. Okay? Get the bonus, okay, guys? Don't forget, get the bonus. Okay. So gold, we cannot buy or sell. We're just gonna wait for something to happen here. If you guys have any question, you guys can ask me because we're still waiting for something to happen here. If you look at M1, like it's like crap. Okay, so breakout structure here. So right now the manipulation is going to be a buy because why? Here manipulated supposed to break down, but it didn't up. It break down and then break up. So right now, whenever it break down, we're going to focus on the reason rather than the past because the past is going to be later on. So the reason right now, is going to be still on the buyer's buy lah still. So we're gonna wait for a while for gold. Okay, you know what? Most likely I'm gonna take a buy for gold. 'Cause I think this gold gonna go even further. Okay, this is my own risk. You guys can follow me. You guys want to? Gold, I'm looking at 100 pip. So my SL, my gold SL also 100 pip. Okay, guys. To the support. I think we'll reach towards the resistance first, huh? So that's why looking at lower time frame is important because like this sort of potential right now is gonna straight buy. So right now, we can see our goal already running like 10 pips, so instant profit, 10 pip. Nothing much, but you can help yourself with some breakfast. Mm. Okay, so how are we losing? How can we lose if we know the market what the market gonna do? That's why it's important to understand the market, guys. It's so important. It's so important to understand the market. If you guys don't, this is what happens. You guys will be like waiting forever for something to happen. Okay, actually we were waiting for something to happen, but while we were waiting, the moment we start watching, we already see potential trade in. We instantly buy. Yeah, we're able to make profit, and right now we still have our running profit towards our UJ super slow. 1 hour 40 minutes. This is what UJ has been given a total of $40 profit. $40. Yeah, $40. Okay. Okay, for my goal, I do expect the price to be buy, so I'm looking for 150 pips. Okay, for my SL also quite huge. Eh, Vice versa, both 150 pips. Okay, so you guys can see, right? I already set my TP and my SL for my UJ and my goal. Okay, so for UJ, since I'm going to be off soon, so I immediately going to put my break even for UJ. Because I don't want to take an L for that. Okay, for gold, since we already took quite a few profits, so most probably we're gonna take a potential another like 150 pip. If it did not, it reversed back. We just probably gonna lose total one of our profit only today, but we did have two profits, so no worry about that. Okay, don't worry about it. We're still on the profit side for today. Okay, so you guys have any questions before I go off? You guys have any questions? You guys can ask me though. Okay, before I go, last but not least, make sure to DM Gray to get a deposit bonus, okay? So the reason why the deposit bonus is so good, it helps you in terms of your support towards your floating and your margin. Okay, these two support your floating and margin. Okay, these two are the main thing. All right. So we're gonna leave. What indicator I use? I don't use indicator, man. I use zero indicator. As you can see, our chart. It's simple as this. No complication. Okay, no complication. No need. We don't need so much information that will confuse our decision later. So we don't need all that. So right now we're gonna write out our buy for gold and for our sell UJ. Okay, that's all for today, and I will see you guys again tomorrow. Don't forget to DM Grace. Okay, see you guys and good night.